하루하루 무기력하게 살아가고 있는 구두 수선공 맥스. 뉴욕 뒷골목에서 4대째 구두 수선집을 운영하는 그는 반복되는 무료한 일상에 지쳐 있었는데요. 동네 건달 두목 외원이 맥스의 가게에 방문하고
How you doing today, my G? Working hard?
Yes.
Yeah, good, good. Can't knock the hustle. Work hard, play harder, right, player?
비아냥거리는 그의 태도가 마음에 들지 않지만 그저 묵묵히 구두를 닦아내죠.
Like that watch, huh?
Sure.
Shit. Got a collection at home worth 3 times this shop.
실컷 자랑을 늘어놓은 레오는 자신의 명품 구두 수선을 맡기는데요.
What do you want done?
New soles. And I need them tonight.
We close at 6.
Close when I get my shoes. See you at 6.
그의 구두를 열심히 고치던 중 수선기가 망가져버리고
You sure you can't come today? Okay. Well, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.
할 수 없이 오래전 아버지가 썼던 고물제 봉투를 사용하기로 하죠.
Yeah.
What you doing down here?
Using this old stitch and mine busted.
옆가게에서 미용실을 운영하고 있는 짐이 아버지와 형제처럼 지내던 그는 어느 날 아버지가 사라진 후에도 맥스를 살뜰히 챙기고 있죠.
I'll show you what I know. I was always telling your pop he should sell this crap and make some money. But he can never throw anything away.
Yeah, except his family.
He didn't throw you away, Max.
그렇게 어느덧 6시가 지나는데 한참을 기다리다 지루해진 맥스는 수선을 마친 구두의 이곳저곳을 살펴보다 자신과 같은 사이즈임을 알게 되고 주인이 오기 전 슬쩍 한번 신어보죠. 그런데 맥스의 얼굴이 신발 주인인 레온의 모습으로 변해 있었고 신발을 벗자 원래의 모습으로 돌아오죠. 맥스는 곧장 다른 신발을 찾아 신어보지만 이번엔 아무런 변화가 없었는데요. 아버지의 낡은 재봉틀이 원인이란 것을 깨달은 맥스는 여러 켤레의 신발을 수선해보죠. 이후 다른 사람의 모습으로 평소 꿈꿨던 많은 일들을 해나가는 맥스.
Where's the bathroom?
To your left, downstairs.
깡패 두목으로 변신해 필요한 신발을 빼앗기도 하죠.
Give me them.
What?
Give me your shoes.
그렇게 맥스는 인생 최고의 나날들을 보내는데요. 집에 돌아온 그는 편찮으신 어머니와 대화를 나누게 되고
Hey, Ma, let me ask you something. You ever wish you were somebody else?
I'm your mother. That's all I ever wanted to be.
If you could do whatever you wanted to do, what would it be?
Have dinner with your father. That would be nice.
그러던 어느 날 평소 흠모하던 여인이 맥스의 가게를 찾아오는데
Good. Emiliano wanted me to drop these off.
남자친구의 신발을 수선하기 위해 온 것이었죠.
It's 10.5. I can clean them up for you.
Okay.
그날 저녁 맥스는 그녀의 잘생긴 남자친구의 모습으로 거리를 누비고 그동안 받아보지 못한 여성들의 시선을 마음껏 즐기죠.
Hi.
Hi.
I know who you are.
처음 본 여성은 맥스를 유혹하고 홀딱 넘어간 맥스는 둘만의 시간을 갖기 위해 택시에 올라탑니다.
So where are we going?
I don't know. Where do you live?
Can't do that, love boyfriend. Sorry.
Okay. Well, we could go to my place. I just got to make a call.
Who are you calling?
My mother.
You live with your mother?
Yeah, and she gets a little screwy at night, so I don't want to surprise. Home safe.
그렇게 대차게 차이고 돌아오는 길 진짜 에밀리아노와 마주치고
Oh, hey. How's it going, mate? How are you? Beautiful night for it? Oh, yeah.
그가 집에 없단 것을 알게 된 맥스는
I forgot my keys.
You're a dork. I'm about to take a shower. You there?
Yeah?
Come here.
홀린 듯 샤워실 안으로 들어가는 맥스.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Get over here.
Sure, okay.
하지만 신발을 벗을 수 없다는 것을 금세 깨닫죠.
What?
I can't do this. Gotta go.
Are you serious?
We're here on the Lower East Side for the Grand Street housing protest. And we're here with Mr. Leonard Solomon.
릴스에선 평소 그가 알고 지내던 카르멘이 나오고 있었는데요. 그녀는 부동산 업자들이 개발을 목적으로 서민을 내쫓는 일을 막기 위해 노력하고 있었죠.
Hi. How's it going?
소외된 이웃을 돌보는 일에 앞장서는 카르멘.
I'm delivering groceries to one of our elderly neighbors.
All by yourself?
Yeah, Max, I'm a badass.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I gotta deliver these. I'll see you soon, Max.
Okay.
그런 그녀를 맥스는 어느샌가 자신의 마음속에 두게 되죠. 그날 밤 맥스는 어머니의 소원을 들어드리기 위해 아버지의 구두를 신고
Hey, Pop.
그렇게 아버지의 모습을 한 채 어머니와 마주하는 맥스.
Avram,
Hello, Sarah.
I missed you so much.
I'm here now.
I'm so glad you're home.
Me too.
어머니는 그리웠던 남편과의 행복한 시간을 보내고 그 소중한 순간들은 어머니의 마음에 큰 위안과 기쁨을 선사합니다.
Goodbye, Pop.
다음 날 맥스는 어머니를 찾아보지만
Ma, you overslept? Is that what happens when you have a big date?
Ma.
마지막 소원을 이루고 평안하게 세상을 떠난 어머니.
Ma.
You should start saving for a nice headstone. She deserves a nice headstone, your mother. They're not cheap, Max.
무거운 마음으로 앉아있는 맥스를 지미가 찾아오죠.
If your dad was here right now,
But he's not here. You don't know the half of it, Jimmy. Can't even afford a decent headstone.
well, I could help out, kid. You know that.
Why? What have I ever done for you? What have I ever done for anybody?
장례를 끝내고 가게로 돌아온 맥스는 깊은 슬픔에서 헤어나오지 못하고 있었는데
Show me! Been back and forth to the shop all week waiting on your punk ass.
I'll sit and shiver.
레오는 선 넘는 이야기를 계속해 걸어오고
She leave you any money, man? No, right? Figures.
결국 화를 참지 못한 맥스는 소심한 반항을 해보는데요.
Do you have your ticket?
Do I look like I got my ticket, man? Let's go back there and get my shoes before I kick some skin off your forehead. You know how much them gators cost?
No, I don't. But you need your ticket.
New rule, shoe man. You find my shoes by the mall, or you gonna be reunited with your moms real quick. Got that?
그날 이후 맥스는 복수를 위해 그의 뒷조사에 들어가죠. 레온의 집을 알아낸 맥스는 그가 없는 틈을 타 집 안으로 들어가는데
Jesus! What are you doing here?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I thought you left.
What?
Why are you back?
Oh, I forgot something.
Oh yeah, what you forgot? You forgot to hit me again?
Do you know where my watches are by any chance?
I didn't touch your stupid watches.
I was just asking where they were.
I have no idea, but if I did, I'd take them and I'd sell them shits.
그렇게 레온의 집 이곳저곳을 뒤지던 그는 그만. 한참의 시간이 지나고서야 눈을 뜨는 맥스. 서둘러 이곳에서 나가려 하는데 위기의 순간 맥스는 또 다른 모습으로 레온을 위협하는데요.
I don't want to hurt you. I'm not a bad person. I just gotta take care of some things and do right by my mother.
I don't know who put you up to this, fat boy, but I'm gonna cut a slab of bacon off your back.
That's rude.
협박이 통하지 않자 맥스는 가장 위협적인 모습으로 돌아오죠.
I heard somebody's not cooperating.
결국 레온은 시계의 위치를 불고
There's a fake wall behind the bathroom mirror.
So here's how we're gonna do this. I'm gonna take your watches, tase you, and you're gonna wake up in your bed like it's a bad dream.
Wow.
그런데 하필 그때 레온의 부하들이 찾아오죠.
What kind of business?
Gotta pick up my money, bitch.
How much money?
What the hell is it to you? 50 large.
레온에게서 중요한 정보를 입수한 맥스는 그 돈을 가로채기로 마음먹는데요.
Gotta make a quick stop, boss. Got a little surprise for you.
I just want to pick up my money.
It's on the way. You're gonna like this.
부하들의 깜짝 선물은 경쟁 갱단원이었죠.
I didn't know it was you, Leon. I'm sorry. I didn't know.
We found rat prick down in Philly.
Be straight to run.
생각보다 커진 일에 맥스는 어쩔 줄을 모르고
Bye bye, rat prick.
No, don't! Hold on, stop, stop!
결국 사람을 살리기 위해 용기를 냅니다.
You sorry for what you did, rat prick?
No.
Okay, I believe you.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Boss, he stole from us.
I know. The guy apologized.
다음 이들이 찾아간 곳은 고리 대금업자 그리나 얼트의 집이었죠.
I am ready to move forward on the Grand Street deal. I will need the trash taken out before Friday. You get the rest when the job is done.
Okay.
There is no margin for error on this one. None. None. You got it?
그렇게 그녀로부터 막대한 보수를 받고 다시 레온을 찾아가는데
Welcome home, mommy. Huh?
다급해진 맥스는 하이힐을 벗어던지고 도망치려다 그만. 레온은 그렇게 비참한 죽음을 맞이하죠. 다음날 맥스는 자수를 위해 경찰서를 찾아갑니다.
Hey.
Yeah, what do you need?
I'd like to report a crime. Murder. I killed a man, but by accident.
하지만 현장은 말끔히 정리되어 있었고
The body was right here.
Lee entered the alleged victim's house?
Yes. His girlfriend let me in.
So why did she let you in?
Because I look just like him.
But you don't look like him now.
No, not at all. He's black.
말도 안 되는 이야기에 결국 자수조차 하지 못하죠. 그런데 없어진 힐과 신발 가방이 맥스의 가게에 있었고
You gotta be kidding me.
What the crap is going on?
무언가 잘못되어 감을 느끼는 맥스.
Stop this.
Max. Hey, Jimmy.
맥스를 진정시키는 지미.
You've been running around half cocked since your mother passed away. Will you just be straight with me?
All right, look. I took some money that doesn't belong to me. I mean, I gotta go give it back. All right?
지미는 다시 한번 강하게 맥스를 막아 세우죠.
Jimmy, why'd you do that? Because I'm trying to stop you from screwing up your life. Your shop's closed half the time. You're acting all crazy. I'm not blind, Max. I know where this is going. I've seen it before.
You have not seen this before. Trust me.
Oh, yes, I have. You know with who? Your father. What are you saying? Listen, your old man. He got into some trouble with some bad people, and he had to disappear. Had to make them think that he was dead and never coming back. Or else they were gonna hurt you, hurt your mother.
You knew this all this time and you didn't tell me? How come you didn't tell me?
He made me promise not to. What the hell are you doing, kid?
New rules. Jimmy, you stay out of my business, you hear me?
Max, I just don't want you to make the same mistakes your old man did. Maxie! Max!
결국 돈을 돌려주기 위해 그리나 얼트의 집을 찾아가는 맥스.
And, what is it?
Your money. He can't take out the trash.
하지만 돈을 돌려주면 끝날 거란 것은 너무도 순진한 생각이었죠. 꼼짝없이 죽을 위기에 놓인 맥스.
We'll get something to eat after we get rid of our friend. We need to talk about Grand Street anyway.
You smell something? I thought that was you.
죽은 할아버지의 신발을 신은 맥스는 간신히 위험에서 벗어나고 오래된 마법의 재봉틀을 봉인하기로 마음먹죠. 다시 평범한 하루를 보내던 맥스는 그리나 월트가 없애려던 사람이 카르멘이 돕는 노인이라는 것을 알게 되는데요.
Mr. Solomon is a wonderful old man who lives on Grand Street, and they're trying to evict him from his apartment.
I will need the trash taken out before Friday.
곧장 카르멘을 찾아간 맥스는 자신이 알고 있는 사실을 털어놓죠.
The woman's name is Greenawald.
Elaine Greenwald?
Yeah, you know her?
Yeah. Her company owns Mr. Solomon's building.
이후 두 사람은 솔로몬을 찾아가 위험을 알리지만
They said they want to kill me.
They said they would burn your building down with you in it, so yeah.
Thank you very much for telling me this, but I can't leave.
These are bad people, Mr. Solomon. They're not messing around.
Max, my wife and I lived in this apartment 45 years. I raised my daughter here, Sonia. I cannot run away.
What size are your shoes?
솔로몬의 모습으로 그리나 월트와 거래에 나서는 맥스.
I'm ready to leave.
How much?
$100,000 cash and a bus ticket to Chicago.
Brian here will escort you to Chicago.
그날 밤
Come in, but take off shoes.
You're wearing yours?
It's my house. Take off.
It's all there, pal. $100,000.
그 사이 그들의 신발을 가로챈 맥스는 열심히 수선기를 돌리고 레온의 모습을 한 채 솔로몬의 집으로 향하죠.
What the? Ludlow? What the hell are you doing here? Behind you!
다음날 이 사실을 알 리 없는 그리나 월트가 솔로몬의 집을 찾고
What are you doing? That's private property.
I'm visiting a friend.
Who?
Leonard Solomon.
He doesn't live here anymore. He moved.
Really? Somebody should tell him that. Oh, and by the way,
살인을 계획했던 그리나 월트의 부하는 경찰에 잡히게 되죠.
Sir, can you step over here, please? Step over here. Wait. I didn't do it.
그리나 월트는 솔로몬으로 변한 맥스와 마주하고
What kind of game are you trying to play here, Mr. Solomon? You and I had a deal.
No game. This is my home. I'm not leaving.
분노한 그녀는 솔로몬에게 살해 위협을 가해오는데요.
If you don't get up and walk out of here right now, I am going to burn this whole place to the ground with you in it. And then I'm going to send someone to Chicago to find your daughter and throw her off the Sears Tower tonight.
That's very clear. And that is good for the television.
What are you talking about, you senile old man?
Hello, Mrs. Greenawald. Danny Donald, New York 1.
You're who?
모든 것이 맥스의 계획이었죠.
I just heard you threaten to kill Mr. Solomon and then threaten to kill his daughter in Chicago.
I'm not in Chicago. I didn't say that.
Maybe they got duck ragu in prison.
You son of a bitch!
모든 일이 무사히 마무리되고 카르멘이 맥스의 가게를 찾아오는데
Hi, Carmen.
I busted the zipper and I thought they were goners, and then I remembered that I knew a badass cobbler.
I could do something with these.
So do you have plans next Friday night?
Oh, why? Yeah, having another rally?
No. I would like to have dinner with you. Would you like to have dinner with me, Max? Here's my number. Don't lose it.
I won't.
Good.
이후 맥스는 레온의 전 여자친구를 찾아가 레온이 모아온 명품 시계를 돌려주죠.
Sell them. They're worth a lot.
Why are you doing this?
I'm sorry for what I did.
그런데 맥스를 레온으로 오해한 다른 갱단이 그를 납치하고
Hello, Leon. Remember me?
But I'll let you go.
Well, we all make mistakes. You look like crap, by the way. Let's go. You smell like crap, too.
위기의 순간 맥스가 눈을 떴을 때 그의 앞엔 지미가 있었는데요. 그는 맥스의 비밀을 진작부터 알고 있었죠.
Who do you think got rid of that putz, Ludlow? That stiletto heel made quite a mess, kid.
That was you? How?
You see, the thing is, I'm not just a barber, Max. I'm also a cobbler.
그리고
I'm your father.
맥스를 지하실로 데려가는 아버지. 그곳에서 맥스는 가문의 비밀과 마주하죠.
As my father's shoes worked for me, mine will work for you. They're all labeled.
Derek Jeter?
These shoes go all the way back to your great-grandfather Pincus. He passed them on to my father Herschel, just as I'm passing it on to you. It's a privilege to walk in another man's shoes, Max, but it's also a responsibility. I think you've learned that by now. You are a guardian of souls, Max. You are the cobbler. It's been a long day. What do you say we close up shop and go home?
Yeah, let's go home.
도시의 숨은 비밀들을 나누며 퇴근하는 부자의 모습을 끝으로 영화는 마무리됩니다.
And it's been that way for centuries. Tomorrow we'll sit down with the Stitcher. I'll show you everything.